the trailer houses. Mag-abi na ako. Trailer houses. Tagkani sila diri na mga ay mahal tayong balay. Siya kay barato rin mga trailer houses. We're turning up, going to the mountain. Well, it's already like how many minutes? Yeah, it's still up. Muning dalan, paingon sa langit. This is the road to heaven. To heaven.
It's very bumpy.
A bumpy road to heaven. Krog-krog. Kay bumpy kayo. Puro kahoy na igamay nga palay oh. Small house. Magbisita may kay Ed Hiley. Wanna see his garden. He got a big, huge garden. Got these houses here. Oops. Liko bandi ay. Going up now. What? Oh, there's a red house. I didn't get that. That's a new house, huh? Yeah, that wasn't there before. I think it's the other house that's. Whoa, bukid sa Tikpanghal. There's another house. Mga house na lang itong ibidyoan eh. This is going up and up, 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 up. Going up the mountain. Malayo, mga trailer, double weight trailer houses. This one coming up is a big house. Oh my goodness, that's a big house.
It's gardens on the mountaintop.
Gardens?
It's garden on the
Yeah.
mountaintop.
Its garden is on the mountain top. Yeah. Puro kahoy. It's all trees. And there's one small bridge coming up in a house. Mga balay. Oh, there's a nice house there. Bog, bog, bog. The sky is so blue, you don't see any clouds. Bukids, the Bull Mountains. Going up, we're going up, we're going up. Yo. Yo, yo. Di kasaka ang sakyanan. So there's another house. There's more house. That's a big house. It is shaky. It's very shaky. Purog kay Pakintol kayong dalan na daghang bangag. The road is so bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. The road is so bumpy. Oh yeah, we're almost there. We're almost to the top of the mountain. Taga-bukid, taga-bukid. I got the flag. Sa bukid, sa Timpangha. May mga palay diri o sa kanto. Whoa, going up again. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's already like 9 minutes. Somebody's house. Down there. May pa mga balay diri sa bukid, mga patsada pa. Houses up here is so beautiful. This is the corner going up to its house. Struben. Ed and Michael are friends since they were young kids. The bad boys in town. Ah. And then there's Ed's house is coming up soon. You can see his farmhouse. Oh my god, my ears that just hurt. You were on top of the mountain, your ears hurt because of the pressure. That's its house. Slow down. That's its house there. It's the big house.
You can see almost 100 miles
Yeah.
here.
You can see it almost 100 miles from
Other mountain.
other mountain. There it is. We're here. Okay. Abot na mi. Okay, that's a long drive. It's like 12 minutes. That's the house. That's the mountain. Muna yung garden dito lapit oh. Matumion niya. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye.